Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name's Ed Miles and this is the new for 2018 BERING tank jacket. It's a special jacket, it's made for those bigger guys in your life, so it's a bigger size fitting jacket. I'll put the jacket on at the end of the demonstration just to show you how big this fit is. The one I've got on the mannequin here is a large, which is normally the size I'd wear in a normal BERING jacket, but again at the end, once I've shown you all the features, we'll put that on and you can see the size difference. So let's just show you some of the exterior features. So it's a 900 denier material on the outside. As you know with BERING, it's a French brand, so it will be CE approved. That means they've tested all the abrasion resistance, all the burst resistance, all that type of thing to make sure you're safe in your product. So it's a really high quality outer material that's got to pass those tests. In terms of armour protection, you've got elbows and shoulders and a back protector included in this product, so you're fully covered with the BERING tank jacket. Coming down from the top, as with most BERING jackets, you've got a neoprene area around the top to keep your neck nice and supple and soft, so it's nice and comfortable, including at the front here. If I just undo this popper here, where it's closed, you can see you've got two poppers to shut it, so you can adjust the width of the neck depending on your personal size. And you've got another popper down here which gives you a massive overlap to give you good protection for warmth in that area. Coming down the front, if I just undo these two zips, open them up, you can see the mesh behind it, that's your airflow into the jacket to keep you nice and cool in the summer. Coming down, two patch pockets on the front, so loads of storage, and two more down here as well. So you've got loads of storage just running down the front of this jacket, you're not going to be short of storage. Poppers all the way down the front to keep it closed, so nice features, high quality product. We just open those up, you can see inside that 900 denier material carries on right into the jacket with a fold over storm flap. Opening that up, high grade zip, 900 denier again, and another pocket boot into this side here, so you can keep anything important in that nice pocket. Anything like a phone needs to go right inside the inside zip though to keep it dry. If we stick with the exterior, you've got reflective points on the front of the jacket here for a bit of active safety. If I spin it around to the side, piping that's reflective on the arm as well. Just open it up, big waist adjusters. Again, that bigger guy might need that adjustment in certain areas of the jacket, so they've given you full adjustment on the side. And if I just move that label out of the way, down the bottom as well, more adjustment. Spinning it around the back, again, talking about adjustment for these guys, you've got these large stretch panels under the arm, so you can really get the fit right in those areas that are always a bit difficult. At the back, you've got a ventilation point to allow air out of the jacket, and the reflective area at the top. Nice and long at the back to give you coverage all the way down, regardless of what bike you're going to be riding as well. We come back round to the front of the jacket, open it up again, all the way down the front there, as I say, big YKK zip with that pocket sitting on the side. Just flick it around, you've got a smock area around the front to keep you nice and warm around the chest area, to keep your heart nice and warm. As you can see inside, thermo alu lining, so it's a really nice warm lining, but that is removable, of course, for the summer months. Come to this side, you can see we have a slit in the lining. If I just open this zip quickly, you'll see the pockets built into the summer lining. And if I take it off, I just throw that jacket on to show you the sizing. As I say, I would normally be a large on a BERING jacket. And as you can see, this is far too big for me. This is a WL. So when you are sizing up on this, make sure you go into your store, get the right size. This is a WL size, it's clearly far too big for me, but for a lot of guys this goes up to a W5XL, so 5 sizes bigger than this, so there's plenty of room in this jacket. As I say, lining comes out, thermal lining comes out for the summer, so you can stay nice and cool. You've got those ventilation points, loads of pockets, big coverage at the back, and it's CE approved. And for the first time in 2018 with all BERING outerwear, we're going to be giving you a 3-year warranty. So make sure you get your jacket, get it registered, get your 3-year warranty. For any more information on that, go to tranam.co.uk or go to our Facebook page, Bikerheadz.